Hello, welcome back. In today's lesson, we are going to work on order of operations and we are going to use BEDMAS. In BEDMAS, B stands for bracket, E stands for exponents, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And the movement is from left to right. Let us start with question number 1. They gave us 7 plus in the bracket 15 take away in the bracket 8 divided by 4 in the bracket. According to the BEDMAS, we are going to start with the bracket and then we are going to start with the inner bracket. So that is going to be 7 plus in the bracket 15 minus 8 divided by 4, we got 2. When we come back to BEDMAS, again, we are going to work in the bracket. That is going to be 7 plus 15 take away 2, we got 13. At last, we are going to finish with addition. That is going to be 20. Let us do question number 2. We have 27 minus in the bracket 9 divided by 3 in the bracket square. According to BEDMAS, we are going to start with the bracket. So we are going to work in the bracket first. So we drop the rest. 9 divided by 3, we got 3. But 3, it is square. Now, next, we are going to look for the exponents. That is 3 square. So we have 27 minus 3 square is equal to 9. At last, we are going to finish with subtraction. That is 27 take away 9. We got 18. I hope you understand these two questions. For more questions on order of operation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.